Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So today's video is going to be on all the paperworks you need to do after coming to the Germany. So before getting started our video, please do subscribe our channel and click on the black bell icon so that you get aware whenever we upload our videos. So thank you very much for our support. We are going to be soon a 100 subscriber family. It's a very good milestone for me. Thank you for all of your support. So let's get started. So once you land in Germany, first of all you should go to your accommodation where you have booked it and take all the contract papers, the rent contract from your landlord. Carefully take those and check those all the conditions and all the terms and conditions given on that, so that it will not cause any problem later to you. So after getting settled at your accommodation, first thing you need to do, mind it, you have to paste your name on your post box, because in Germany every single legal letter or everything will come to you via post. So you should have paste your name on your post box. This should be your first work after reaching to the Germany and getting settled at your accommodation. You should do this, otherwise it can lead to be in a complex problem. Because if, for example, if you miss any letter from the Rathaus, such as you miss your city registration letter, then you can't even open your current account, your block account. You cannot do anything, because it is a very important document here for you. It is like an address proof which going to be need for any legal things, for example your bank account. So you should stick your name at first when you came to Germany. So after pasting your name, get yourself enrolled in your university and keep those documents safely with you. So after that, go to the city, go for the city registration. So for city registration you need to take an appointment at Rathaus. So for this you should Google on your computer that, for example, the registration in German called Anmeldung. So you need to go on Google and search Stadt means city, Anmeldung, and your city name, XYZ, whatever it is Hamburg, it is Frankfurt, anything. So on that website you will get to know that to which person you need to contact. So there you will find their email ID. You should mail them and ask them for an appointment or the procedure, what is the procedure, and ask them in that mail what all document you required. Generally you need a rent contract. There is a form in the rent contract which you need to submit at the city registration office. The main document is this, which will given to you by your landlord. If landlord doesn't given you this form, kindly download it from the city registration website and get it signed and filled by your landlord, because it is going to be a very important document. While registration, without it you can't. And take the copy of your passport and the original passport. Take boarding pass, boarding pass, your enrollment letter. These are the some basic important document which is needed to get yourself done with the city registration. So once you submit all these documents, they will process, and at most in a week they send you your city registration document via post. So it's just a page, A4 size page, in which they have written all the things. You have to keep this document very safely to you. You will going to need it everywhere. So after done with the city registration, you have to open a current account so that you can receive the block amount, or you can do any transaction here in Germany. So for current account, I have chosen the Commerce Bank, because the Commerce Bank and N26 I found the good as per the current scenario, but N26 can be open only if you have residence permit. As you are the first time comer, then you don't have the residence permit. So in my case, in my shortlisting, I just found that Commerce Bank. So for Commerce Bank, you can open your account via their online service, fill the form, and then go to the nearest branch of Commerce Bank or the post office to get yourself verified. After verifying, your account will get open, and for verification you just need your passport and the city registration. These two documents are needed. Without city registration and passport, they will not going to be open your account. So after getting your for Commerce Bank, they have a scheme of getting a 50 euro after the 3 month of opening, 50 euro bonus. So you can use my referral link for this to get the 50 euro. I will drop the link below, so you can use that, so that you will get a 50 euro sign up bonus after the 3 month of continuous using the current account. So after opening the current account, you have to open your block account, contact your service provider of the block account and provide them your current account documents, and they will activate you and disburse you the money you have deposited there per monthly as per the German government rules. So after getting your block account activated, you should activate your insurance, contact your service provider, either STK, AOK or any private one. They will get your insurance activated. This is very important because here in Germany you need it everywhere for your health purposes. Then after getting your insurance activated, you will receive the insurance card, which you can use at the doctors and the medical shops. And then you need to buy a SIM. You can either buy a prepaid or a postpaid. In postpaid, there are also in postpaid in most of the company they have a bound of the 2 years or the 24 months, but some companies provide you the postpaid SIM without any foundation. As I have chosen the WinSIM. WinSIM, it will help you in getting no contract postpaid. You can leave the service provider anytime, but at the 3 month of notice, you have to give the notice of 3 months, and then you can leave this service provider and switch to any other provider. Or you can choose the postpaid ones, prepaid ones, the prepaid ones, in which you need to recharge the balance as per your convenience. So you can use any type of the SIM as per your demand. You can simply order these SIMs via the company website. You can order them and they will post the SIM. In a day or two, you will receive those SIMs in your post box. So it is very important to stick your name there, otherwise you will going to miss all these documents, because every document you will gonna receive via post, not on email. So mind it. And at last, once your visa is going to be expired, for example your visa is going to be expired on 10th September, then you should take the appointment before it's 6 weeks before expiring of your visa. You should take the appointment so that you can get your visa extended. And similarly for the residence permit, both are the same thing you can do. So these are some important paperwork you need to do after coming to the Germany. And the last thing, I will request you to use my referral links for the Commerce Bank current account if you are choosing Commerce Bank, and if you are choosing WinSim, then use that referral link also. I am giving that below, and believe me, they are both are the best service provider here currently as per the current scenarios. So I hope this video will help you, and thank you for your support, and please do subscribe if you have not yet. Thank you very much. See you in our next video.